replies to star question number 5. A, no sir. B, sir, the constructions of the Ayurvedic PHC at Saikarap has not been completed. However, most of the building, that is main building, quarters of the compound fencing has been completed in all respect, but regretted to say that the contractor whom the work was allotted for the construction of nurses quarter number 1 and the therapist quarter number 2 units have surrendered the work, and reallotment of another contractor is being processed. C, sir, the proposal for the creation of posts is yet to be sanctioned.
Babalajit.
Mr. Speaker, sir, if I can get the answer from the Minister in charge as to when did the construction of this particular PHC started?
It started in 2011, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as you can see from the reply of the Minister in charge, it's been almost 10 years now, and according to the reply, 2 units have yet to be completed. And given the fact that almost a decade has passed, the reason for surrendering has not been stated. If I can ask the Minister in charge as to what is the reason for surrendering, and when will the work order for reallotment of this particular work start?
The reason is the difficult for the contractor to take up the work, but the reasons has not been given, sir. But they have not been able to take up the work. That is the reasons, which is the information that we're having them, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, if I can kindly ask the Minister in charge, if the department can kindly process this work as soon as possible, because in my constituency particularly, or in the Shela Bhologan Sinadi block, we have only this PHC which has been sanctioned for the construction. And if completed in due time, I feel that it will help not only the Ayush practitioners in question, but the community as a whole and the area as a whole. And with regards to the sanction for the creation of posts, I feel as a government should take necessary steps in order to see to it as soon as possible. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we have noted down the suggestion given by the Honorable MAD, and also we have re-tender for these 2 units, but nobody has come to participate for the tender, sir. And definitely the government is going to take up seriously to complete this project, sir.
May I speak? We've been seeing this kind of surrendering process every now and then because the government is taking not solid or concrete action against those contractors. During the NIT, the agreement, there was no such that they will surrender after the.
Please be specific to the question.
Okay, Mr.
Please,
Speaker, sir.
Put the supplementary to the question.
Okay, Mr. Speaker, sir. So, whether any action has been taken against the contractor who has surrendered, any kind of blacklist, unless until we do such so, it will be like this thing will continue again and again. So, any solid action has been taken against the government to, at least some action should be taken against this contractor because he has wasted the time of the people, the public, and wasted the public money, wasted the public time also.
Minister.
I welcome the suggestion given by the Honorable MLA, but till now they have not taken any action against the contractor, but definitely we have to take some action, sir.